Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Brentford home shirt for the 25-26 season, and this shirt was purchased from bestzv3.com. All the information for the seller will be in the description of this video. I actually think this is the second Brentford shirt I've done. I think I did one last season as well, so yeah, always nice to get another one. Now the shirt, just looking at there, you can see that's all been embroidered in, so this is going to be the fan spec version. So the shirt comes in a standard bag, and on the flip side it does just have the usual health warnings. If you are new around here, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these several reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, by all means leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, the seller is bestzv3.com. All the information in the description of the video. I'll also leave a DHGate link for my usual seller. Delivery timescales, you're looking between the 10 and 15 days, which is the sweet spot. So what we'll do now is we'll get the bag open and let's have a look at the Brentford home shirt, front and back, the insides, and see what we make of it. Okay, we'll start with the front of the shirt, and it's got, well, it's a really good collar. It's got a back line of the collar, but the front, yeah, pretty much non-existent. You've got this like little V-neck area here. We have Joma heat pressed onto the sleeve, and then it's embroidered just here. That's kind of pulled in a little bit, but not too bad. The Brentford badge embroidered on. That looks nice and clean. And then on this sleeve again, you've got Joma, but then you've also got Kazoo. Both have been heat pressed on. They feel really smooth. Hollywood Bets, apart from the crease in the shirt, that is a lovely sponsor. Feels so nice. Few creases from where the shirt's been in the bag, but nothing to overly worry about. And actually look at the bottom of the shirt, look, you've got like a flap on the back, so the back is slightly lower than the front. I did like that joint actually. A bit of excess cotton down there, just where the joints have been put together, and on that side, but nothing to really worry about. Actually, you've got these little joins on the sleeve as well, look, that's something different. So they've actually got quite a few of these little cutouts. So you've got the ones here on the sleeve, you've got the ones down there, and then you've got the cutout just there as well. Oh, just noticed this is a Centenary year as well for Brentford. So we're doing a few Centenary shirts, it would seem, at the moment. But there's the front. Let's take a look at the reverse side. Right, and there's the reverse. Yeah, if we didn't need to be told again, there's your 100 there for the Centenary. Slight little join there. All that looks fine. So no name and number. I've left this plain. And then at the bottom, which is obviously the flap side, you've then got the red and white stripes. I do like shirts actually where they have the plain bit here where you'd have your name set, your number, and then the front colour continues through. Obviously, if you had all stripes on the back here, that name and number would blend in pretty well. So yeah, I think it's quite nice when they do that. Reverse hemline looks good, stitching all looks fine, but not really too much to show you on the reverse side. So let's take a look now at the inside as well. Okay, we're on to the first part of the inside of the shirt, and here's that makeshift sort of collar line. A lot of stitching there around the neckline, but that looks all good. Brentford badge, again, you've got the slight joint at the top there, but that looks absolutely fine. And the Joma's not got any of that card in there either, so that's really good to see. From the inside, you can see a fair few creases, like I said, from where the shirt's been in the bag. But once it's been worn, washed, that will soon disappear. Joma on the sleeve and the Kazoo all look absolutely fine. And then this side as well, the Joma up there again, looks really, really tidy. A couple of excess bits of cotton there, but we can soon get a pair of scissors on those. We have our washing instructions. There you go, Joma 100% polyester. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to do as it is now, flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. Never tumble dry them. Just let them hang dry, especially now in the UK. We've seemed to have had a bit of a, I'm going to say heat wave, but a bit of sunshine for the last few days. So perfect if you're washing shirts, just to let them hang outside. But there's the first part of the inside done. Let's take a look at the final side now. Okay, that's the final part now, and yeah, here we go. Red and white, 1925 to 2025. The Centenary, 100 years. Shirt size is XL. This is a fan spec shirt, so you know the size is going to be pretty much spot on. And then you get these standard tags that are always put in on them. A QR code, I've not scanned it, but I doubt that will take you to the Brentford site. But then you've got the football shirt XL Joma as well. Just try and get out of the way. Loose cotton up there, but again, nothing really to be worried about. Moving down to the bottom, stitching all looks okay there. Under the arm looks fine. Being red, if I push in, not too see-through. You can just about make it out, but the material is quite a nice sort of shiny sort of feel to it, and a nice texture. But not really too much to call out on this side because we've not got a name and number. But just to give you that full look at the inside of this shirt. And there we have it, the Brentford home shirt for the 25-26 season from bestzv3.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video, along with a DHGate link to my usual seller. So it gives you the option of looking at both sides. Delivery timescales, you're looking in that sweet spot, 10 to 15 days, which is absolutely perfect for these sort of shirts, and actually can be just as quick as ordering some from the UK. What do you think of this one? Drop me a comment and let me know. If you've enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If there's any shirts you'd like me to look at in the future, please also let me know. But as I said, the seller is bestzv3.com. All the information in the description of this video as I give you the final look at the Brentford home shirt for the 2025-2026 season, which is their Centenary 1925 to 2025 shirt. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.